So doing one of the recent mods, I made a mistake and actually broke my side mirror. Just for your information, side mirrors are not cheap, just the glass. I figured can't be too much, but MSRP was like 500 bucks. So that's a lot of stupid tax to pay. What I did is I looked, I found it on a couple websites for like $3 something. That's still a little pricey, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do because I need a mirror. Right now it looks like an iPhone that just fell down on the cement and smashed all over the place. So I don't drive the car in the winter, so it's been kind of just sitting around. So I could avoid spending the money for now. It's getting to be spring. Well, it's Indiana, so it's not getting to be spring yet. It's still pretty cold out. But I did find one on eBay, used one. I bought it here, $125, so that's pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is unwrap it.
One hour later.
Okay, so it looks like it's pretty well wrapped up. Let's see what we got. So we got the mirror, and hey, it's got a picture of my camera in it. So the mirror looks good. It's got the connections on the back. So it looks like it's got two connectors here, one connector here. So what I'm going to do is get ready to put my mirror back on, the new mirror, take the old one off, throw it away. So that'd be a nice final fix to this whole situation. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually wash the car. So let's go with that. Alright, the car's washed. As it normally happens, you wash the car and it's raining, so it is raining. I'm back in the garage now, and you can see it is the messy garage. I'm going to put in this mirror. What we're going to need is the mirror, obviously, and there are 3 electrical connections, 2 here at the top, and for those I'm going to use needle nose pliers, I think, if I can't pull the wires off that are connected to the mirror itself. If I can't do it with my hands, I'll use the needle nose pliers. We're also going to have another connector right here. This is just a plug that comes out pretty easy, so that should be no big deal. To get the broken mirror glass out, I'm going to use handy dandy cheap trim tool. So let's get to it. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is get this broken mirror out. You'll notice that it's got kind of a yellow tinge to it. My understanding is there's chemicals inside this glass that do some of the work as far as the anti-dazzle or the anti-glare part. So I'm going to put the trim tool under the middle. Keep in mind, this is where we're trying to target, this centerpiece here. That's where the clip is, and you'll see it once I pull it off. But I'm going to be like this, so I'll be digging into right behind here and trying to pop off. So that's what our target is. If you get over here and do it on the side, your mirror will look just like this one, and you'll be doing this all over again. So what you want to do is just carefully pry it up. So what you gotta do is there's 4 clips. You gotta get up there, and it was a little nerve-wracking because this one's already cracked and flexing a lot, as you can see. So once I got that off, we've got 3 connections. It's 2 at the top, and then there's 1 here. The one just comes unclipped. Okay, so I've got a screwdriver now, and what I'm going to do is push down a little clip here, and that should allow me to pry that piece out like that. So that came out. And we need to get these pieces out as well. That's what I'm actually going to use the needle nose pliers, see if I just need to grab them. There you go. So you just grab it firmly and pull the lead off. There. Wiggle a little bit. There it goes. There's our broken mirror. So we will not be worrying about keeping this one. So the new mirror, we will take and connect the 2 leads we just removed and that plug. Slips on there pretty easy, as does that one. Then the last thing we'll do is slide this plug back in, and we're all set. So now what we're going to try to do, let me rest this here, and I'm going to try to bring the camera a little closer. So what we've got is you've got the circle here that you see on the mirror. I'll show you on the broken mirror just because it's, don't have to worry about breaking it. So again, we've got this circle, and these 4 areas are going to clip in to this circle in the back of your mirror housing. So carefully, and make sure you don't twist the wires. Just get it all lined up. Then push just straight in, and you'll feel it clip in there. And now we have a fixed mirror. It wasn't really a hard fix, it was kind of nerve-wracking. Anytime you're dealing with glass, and what I was doing is I was putting the turn signals in the mirrors when I broke this. I'll link that video up top here. Mistakes happen obviously when you're going to do DIYs on your car, upgrades, all this other stuff. Don't let it bother you, don't get pissed off. Things happen. Just recover, and hopefully you guys can keep on following, do more mods on your cars. Watch the mods that I'm doing on my cars. Learn from my mistakes like this. If you watch this before you mess around with these mirrors, there's no reason you should get a snap mirror like I did. So learn from my mistakes. Let me pay the stupid tax, not you guys, okay? Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, don't just hit dislike. I mean, you can do that. I don't care. It's not going to affect me. But, you know, leave some constructive criticism. If I suck, if I'm too bald, whatever, I don't care. Put it down there, and If it's something I can change or improve on, I will. If it's something that I can't improve on, like the hair thing, oh well, doesn't matter. So subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments below if you had any experience with breaking things and having to fix them. And also, if you guys want more content, give me some suggestions. All right. Check out my Instagram also. It's Messy Garage BMW. And that's it. Enjoy. Bye.